G'day guys, this is Carl at Allbrands Caravan Center. Today what we're doing is we were investigating an aircon for a customer who came in and complaining that her aircon wasn't working. So what we've done is we've done a bit of investigations and we found that the main PCB wasn't basically sending messages to the display board. So through that testing, what we've done is we've ordered a new main PCB for the customer and we're currently fitting it at the moment. So right now I've just had to take apart the main PCB, disconnect all the wires and reconnect it. Now I'm just at the stage where I'm just putting it all back together. Now I've got to go inside the van and then I'm going to power it up and see how she goes. Apart from that, if you have any questions in relation to air conditioners, just give us a call because we do lots of things. We can fit new air conditioners, we fix new air conditioners, we can also get them regassed if you wanted to go along down that line. And if you have any other issues in relation to them, you can just give us a call or send us a message. Thanks.